What is going on, guys? So here is my spring assist knife collection. I finally had a chance to show this off today, and I've been getting a lot of requests over the years to show this off. I finally had the energy to do this. Alright, so I'm going to take you on a grand tour of my collection here. Here it is. Here's my spring assist knife collection that I have here. I've been collecting knives for like over 10 years. So the knives I have mostly are SOGs, Gerbers, and Kershaws, and some cheap stilettos. So I got these mostly online, in store, mostly at Walmart. That's where I got these. Alright, so guys, I've been getting a lot of requests to show this off. Finally had the energy to do this. Alright, let's take you on a grand tour of my knife collection here. Alright, so let me know if you recognize anything. Alright, so there you go. There's a show off of my spring assist knife collection I have here. So hope you like the collection video. Yes, I've been getting a lot of requests, so I finally had the energy to show this off today. It's been a while since I did a knife video. So anyway, and I have more assisted openings. This is it for now. But anyway, here's my spring assist knife collection. So, and you can get these at any time, anywhere, online, in store. Yeah, very cheap. I got these for like 10 to 70 bucks. Alright, so hope you like the collection video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.